Hi, sis.
Ano ba to?
Si Snake yata. Oh, Puffer Fish. Hi, Puffy. No, his name is Puff Daddy. Hi, Puff Daddy. It's a puffer fish. Yeah. Love taste nothing. Yeah. Love taste nothing. Look at the blue fish.
Nagpahawa ko yung ako.
And that's Marley.
Ate.
That's a big shark. Yes, tingnan pa ko. Shark.
Come here. Look. Those are the sharks. Oh no.
Is that tilapia?
No, yikes.
Oh, sit down. Picture muna kita, Atilia. Atilia, sit down. Oh, sit
Oh,
down.
let me move them back.
Oh, sit down with Atilia.
Walang bigay lang.
Oh, Paco.
Dito ka dali, please. Game.
Like an umbrella. Pagpagin mo na lang. Pagpagin mo na lang. Ilang oras. Oh, that's a shark pa ko. Shark. Ayan, laki ng stingray. Oh. Grabe. Parang... Oh, parang kapit na. Oh. Leah, do you see the shark? Are you having fun?
Yeah. Yeah. Having to.
You're having fun too?
Yeah.
We're having too, sabi mo. Pwede ba itong ikot? Halos kasing laki mo yung penguin pa ako.
Cute ng penguin. Ayan pala eh.
Wow. Look at behind
What's that sound? Ako, we're both white team. Our shoes are both white. Smile. Is Rita the love of Paco?
No. Mama.
Is Nami the love of Paco?
No. Mom.
Is
Mama.
Katie the love of Paco?
No. Mama.
Mama only? I love you.
Grade 3 Python. They are called green tree python because they are green and they like to go on top of the trees. Wow.
Other days there.
Look at its tongue. Look at its tongue. Leah, look at its tongue.
Paco, are you scared? Are you scared?
You're brave. Wow.
Me, I'm scared.
You want to hold it? You want to hold it?
Paco, me, I'm scared.
Akala niyo mapapakain to.
Ano tawag ni Paco?
Axolotl daw. Here one. That's a bearded dragon. Look, oh, it looks like it has a beard.
Actually, do you want to have a pet like that?
Look, that's a big fish. And it's look and it's
Paco, yan?
Hey, I think it looks like it's playing some eggs.
we like to sit on the floor. Yeah, look, it's the rat snake. It's about to shed its skin. Kita mo. Natatanggal na yung skin niya sa head. Ha?
I want to see how it sheds.
Matagal yan. And this is my favorite.
Oh,
Ball python.
me too.
Ball pythons are very beautiful skin.
Is there mild venom?
Wala.
No venom?
Pythons doesn't have venom. Banana cinnamon. python. Gecko. Gecko. Hi, Gecko. They are all sleeping. Oh, Leo, it's eating. Oh, it's eating. It's eating. Oh, let's go.
These cockroaches are from Madagascar. They're eating cockroaches. They've been with us.
Can live for up to 1 week without its head.
They've been with us for 65 million years. Bye-bye. These cockroaches are from Madagascar.
Can you put your hand, please?